Now India has its alternative for WhatsApp, which is SANDES. SANDES is a social media platform like WhatsApp which offers to send multimedia end-to-end encrypted messages to the other users. In this video, I am gonna explain the differences between WhatsApp and SANDES. Watch the complete video. SANDES was launched by the NIC, which is the National Informatics Center. It is an upgrade to the existing government instant messaging system. Generally, SANDES means a message in Hindi. Now let's talk about the differences. SANDES allows you to send chat backups to an external location of your choice, including an email, whereas WhatsApp chat backups only go to Google Drive if you are on Android, and if you are on iPhone, it sends to iCloud. The second difference is, on SANDES, you cannot change your mobile number or email ID once you have signed up. If you want to change, either you have to delete your current account and create a new one with a different number or email ID. Whereas WhatsApp has a dedicated change number feature that allows you to change phone numbers without deleting your profile. So these were the differences between WhatsApp and SANDES. To sign up on SANDES, all you need is your phone number or your email ID, and you can download it from the link in the description. If you are a blog lover, check out my website techyreaders.com, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit like and subscribe. Thank you.